Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a clip and then taking 4 layers, 3 from one side and then 1 from another. Beautiful hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to apply a clip. We are taking 3 layers and 1 layer from another side, and then at one side we are going to make a braid and join it into a bun. Next we are going to take a clip, applying it on our hair and then taking 3 layers from one side, and then we are going to loosen it and your hairstyle is done. Next we are going to apply the small clusters on our braid, and then we are going to take the remaining hair and making this cute low bun. Next we are going to use this spring. For making our hairstyle, we are going to take some parts of hair one by one and apply it on the spring till this simple yet beautiful braid is done. Next we are going to apply a rubber band on it and you can see it's ready. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side and then securing it with rubber band, repeating the same step again and then making a braid, converting it into a rubber band and applying this clutcher. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then taking this tool for folding our hair into this kind of bun and applying a clutcher to it, and your simple bun is ready. Next we are going to take 3 layers and then making a braid and tying it with rubber band, then taking the untied hair, joining it with the rest and making a bun.